You really don't think it's going to happen to you until you walk outside one morning and your truck is just gone. That happened to me right in front of my house, and honestly, that kind of thing will make your stomach drop fast. The reason I got it back the same day was because I had a GPS tracker on it.
Now I use the Vital Glow GPS tracker. It's small, it's magnetic, and it's really easy to hide on your truck, trailer, or equipment. You can stick it on in seconds and keep it tucked out of sight, so it's there when you need it, but nobody else is looking for it.
It gives me real-time updates, so I always know where my truck is without guessing. I can set a G-fence and get an alert fast if it moves, and the battery lasts up to 20 days, which makes it easy to keep running. It's rechargeable, waterproof, and best of all, there's no monthly fee, just real peace of mind.